welcome back to my channel. So ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa Albay Roast and Pizza. Ang daming tao guys. So they say that it is well known in Bahrain and Saudi and Dubai. So look at guys, daming tao. Yan. So, I think it's open. Ayan, dami sila guys. So, do you think it is still open?
Yeah, we will open. You can go.
Ah,
The ladies can go. Dining, no.
dining no,
Take away. Just tell him to take away.
Take away, So, what will I order? What will I order inside?
I will show you.
Can you show me? Can you show me what will I order? Guys, late na, pero ang dami pa rin taong pumipila. Ayan. So, isa na rin akong makikipila. It's not until ito na. What will I order?
जो उसका WhatsApp पे भेजो बड़ा.
So, ito na. So, what will I order? So, ayan guys, makikipila na rin ako ha.
6 number.
Number 6.
Wait, I will write number. Okay. You what do you need?
Okay. Anything. Number 6 also. I don't know. What will I order?
This is broast.
Okay.
Like 3 pieces chicken.
So, for Rabi. Okay na. Ayan guys, maraming tao. Guys, this restaurant, it is located in Al Rayyan. So, ayan guys, sarap guys ng ano na, ng chicken nila. So, what will we order? 2 piece, 6 number. Okay.
You
And,
also eat broast, right?
okay. And what else?
And 1 is 7.
Huh?
1
And
7.
7 number. Yala. So, I'm going now. Number 2, number 6, and number 7. So, yun na naman. So, saman yun. Oh my God.
112. I sent you.
2 number 6 and 1 number 7. Oh my gosh, ang daming tao guys. Magic. Ang daming tao guys. Can I buy take away? Just take away. Guys, ang daming tao. Take away, brother.
المدرب معنا.
Guys, ang daming tao. Take away, ha? Thank you. Yan, nandito na ako. Ma'am, dalawang number 6 at saka isang number 7. Oo. Yung Ito, ma'am, oh. Oo, order. Take away, ma'am, ha. Ito, oh. Number 6.
Doon yung ano po.
Ay, doon. Sa labas. Maraming tao, guys. Ayan. See? Buti na lang, guys, babae ako. Kaya nakapasok ako. Look. So guys, after 1 hour ng paghihintay, at last, it's my turn to take my order. So, thank you kabayan, ha. So, ang tagal ko talaga, guys, nagantay. Almost 1 hour. Pero okay lang. So guys, ito na yung order namin. So guys, dito na lang kami kumain sa sasakyan. Kasi sa loob, talagang puno. Tapos ang haba pa ng pila, guys. So, sarap naman. Masarap naman. Masarap naman siya, guys. So, guys. So, bye. Thank you for watching, guys.